Hello everyone, and let's make a simple person icon. First of all, we need to create a document like this, and we need ellipse tool, fill this color black and stroke off, and with left mouse button and shift make this one. Then ellipse tool with left mouse button and shift and option or alt on Windows, make this one. It will be a body of our person. So next we need direct selection tool, hotkey A, and select this dot on this round and push backspace on keyboard. So this is our body of our person, but if you open in window document info, in objects you can see that one path open, so it must be closed. What we must do? First of all, select this tool and select this dot, and with shift select this one, and then right mouse button, join. Okay, this has become one object, as you can see in document info, paths, one closed. It's okay. And then you can select all object and make horizontal align center, like this one. And after that, object expand and pathfinder, this one. So it is our simple person icon, and you can scale as you want with the left mouse button, shift and option, or alt on Windows. Thanks for watching. I hope that it was helpful for you. See ya.